Okay, so it's not even 10 o'clock a.m. yet. It's 9:55. So I don't really know what time this actually started, but it had to have just started because there's barely anything here yet. And it's still coming down, you just can't really see it. It's going to get much deeper. Okay, it's an hour later. We still don't have too much snow yet. Raven! You can tell against her that it is snowing. And I don't think we're going to get as much as they called for, but we're also going to get more this weekend, so who knows.
Watch out.
Who is it?
Twisty's coming.
Raven, you what? You want to go outside?
Twisty wants to go outside. He's right there.
Twisty, you can't go outside. You gonna go run in the snow? Raven! Come on in. Come. You're full of snow. Come. Okay, it's 2 p.m. now. 2 p.m. So we have about 1.5 inches, I think. She thinks Skylar wants to play. We got like 1.5 inches or 2 inches, I think. There's more coming tonight and then more coming this weekend, they say. Sorry, my hair was, oh my god. My heat was running, I don't know if you heard me. Let's see, kind of see on the table right there. Maybe looking for a place to take a shit. Sure is. She was getting the zoomies here a second ago. You want in? Are you all done? You want to come in? It's
County inventory outside.
4:45. This is what we got right now. Coming down.
What's for dinner?
Kind of slow. It's not too bad at the moment. Clearly my dog loves going out in the snow. It's 8:45 at night. And I think we got like 2 inches is all. And they were even calling like way up to 10 inches on one of the days. Lowered it to 6 inches. And so all day today, we were thinking we were at least going to get 2 to 4 inches. But it's looking like 2. Raven! Raven, is that your friend? Is that your friend, Raven? Is that your friend? Nice.